Hi, I'm Chris Mundell,
Hi, I'm Todd Sullivan.
and we are the Spokane Home Gurus.
We're excited to show you our new listing today at 2823 North Nelson Street in North Spokane.
It is a beautifully updated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home plus an office.
It's on a corner lot
It has one of our favorite features, a ginormous shop.
with a loft.
Yeah, full loft.
And the backyard is gated with a drive-through secure gate where you can park your cars, your boats, your toys, your RV, whatever you have.
You're going to love this house.
Let's go take a look.